And here's also, you can render rainbows. Be aware that you need a ray tracer for this. They're currently not working with a path tracer. It's something that could be done in the future, but not currently. So this one has the fall off set to 50%, so you can kind of see the rainbow is kind of missing in the middle here. So in that image, it's 50%, and then in this one, I've got the fall off set to 25%. And here I'm changing the size from, let's see, the size here is 10 on this one versus 25% before. So you get a smaller rainbow. And then you can also do double rainbows. And you can see that I had to back the camera up when I did that because the double rainbow appeared above.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.